Oh, it fell again. What's good, guys? We're in a new car and we're gonna review it. So here we go. So here's a chair all the way back. That's what it looks like. There's still a lot of room there, but here's my space. I'm 5'4", by the way. That's crazy. Now, the back's pretty cool, like the trunk. A little bit glossy, but that's it. And I can literally sleep like this. There's 3 seats. Look at that.
A little bigger than a normal truck, huh?
Yeah, sure. That's crazy. Now I'm gonna go to the front. Hold the phone.
Hold the phone. Ouch.
Hello.
You have the seat all the way up. And other than the fact that it's tricky footholds there. Footholds? That's not the right word, but you can still fit your legs underneath you, right? It's on the front, the fronty front. That's the side. You gotta grab the front. Alright, well, we'll figure this out. There you go.
I'm all good. Alright.
Alright, so there's enough room to have a jungle gym in here.
Yeah. Oh, again.
The camera fell. I don't... You okay?
Ow.
What do you think of the front seat room?
That hurts, but it's pretty good.
Yeah, and there's still tons of room in the back. Is the seat all the way... Oh, my goodness. You could be 6'4" and you'd have plenty of room in this thing, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's go for a ride.
Trailer lights, bro. This can hold a trailer.
Well, yeah, I mean, a lot of our truck can tow too, but this has like extra towing features and stuff. All right. So we are gonna do manly stuff. We're gonna drive a full size. Yeah, we're gonna drive a full size pickup to
And
the
I'm
tractor.
5'4", bro.
Yes, you are full size man. There you go. We're gonna drive to Tractor Supply Store and get a new tractor. No, we're gonna get a tire for my riding lawnmower. But we're also gonna talk about this full-size Chevy Silverado, which is a little bit bigger than what we're used to, right? As we've demonstrated, there's enough room for a family of 6.
Yeah.
Because there's a seat here in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, crazy. This is a really simple work truck kind of spec. Cloth seats.
Right, that's good.
Yeah, it's got the low end stereo and all that stuff. Pretty basic, but we're gonna drive around. Tell me how comfortable you think it feels. Quiet, fast, slow. I don't know. Whatever your thoughts are.
Well, my thoughts are.
We're only driving that red driveway right now, so we don't have too many thoughts yet. But.
I'm not gonna lie. It's not even all the way back yet. It's like really close. There's a lot of space.
That seems to be the thing that impressed you the most, right?
Yeah. Because trucks, like our truck, normally doesn't even have like that much space.
No, that's true. Even just for you and mom and me, it's not a ton of room. But this thing has endless room.
Yeah.
And this one has the Turbo 4 from Chevy.
Like 50 clowns in here.
Feels like, oh, you could fit probably at least 50 clowns in here.
Yeah, gotta be it.
Yeah. I was just going to talk about the performance a little bit because I've been driving this all week. And mostly highway to and from work, but definitely some around town stuff. I'm getting 21.6 miles a gallon. And for a full-size truck, I think that's pretty good. And it's got decent power, too, for a 4-cylinder.
Yeah.
But we'll test that out in a sec.
Don't hit the mailboxes.
I'm not that bad of a driver. Whoops.
Are you sure about that? Bro, don't even joke around about that. You're probably gonna get us killed.
Nah. I mean, maybe just maimed.
Hey, well, I went that one time that
We don't talk about that.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna say it. It was too bad.
I'm not allowed to talk about it on camera because the victims' families will sue us.
Excuse me. We're only kidding, by the way.
Yeah, of course.
Don't sue us.
Alright, let's step on it a little bit. You ready?
Oh crap, I'm scared. There's a car right in front of us. What are you
I
doing?
can knock them out of the way.
What are you doing?
Yeah, they move, see? Squirrel, what squirrel?
Okay, buddy.
I'm just kidding. Anyway, what do you think?
Pretty good.
Yeah. Now, your grandfather has a version of this truck that's like probably 10, 12 years old. Pretty similar. You've ridden around a lot in that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think compared to the older version?
This is really like, it makes you do this.
Oh, it pushes you back in the seat a little bit more?
Yeah, like you're going to hyperspace.
Yeah. Like I said, it's a lot of power for a small engine in a big truck.
Mm-hmm.
We'll try it on our twisty road going to the tractor store too. How's that sound?
Yeah.
We're actually really not going fast because there's several old slow cars in front of us.
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't go fast if I wanted to.
Yeah.
But yeah, driving this around on the highway this week, super comfortable, super quiet, really easy ride. This one has the standard size bed, which I haven't had a chance or need to use just yet, but that's obviously nice to have. This is more of a work truck type of situation, but if you're going to drive it every day and you wanted to save some money on the interior and like the capability truck and obviously on gas mileage, I think you wouldn't complain. It's a really nice truck, I think. I've enjoyed just kind of cruising around in it.
Yeah.
And for a big truck, it handles halfway decent too, which we'll try that out now.
Watch the video we did over there, right?
Oh yeah, I don't know if they can see it this time because the way we have the camera pointed.
Oh yeah, I guess you're right.
But yeah, we take our ZR2 and some off-road, dirty type of areas, done some trails and.
Oh my god! If you jump
areas.
this, if you jump really high, I swear. All right.
Yeah, I can't jump this truck. It's not set up for that. So we just did like a more windy back road. Seemed pretty comfortable, handle fine. Not trying to drive a truck fast like that anyway. Let's accelerate onto this faster moving road. Let's see how it goes. Some traffic gets there. Alright, let's see if we get to hyperspace mode again. There's a red light up there. Okay, go too fast. So what do you think? Do you like having a bigger truck like this compared to our smaller truck? Or same, equal, different? What do you think?
I'm not gonna lie, this one's kind of fun because you can just like take naps. Like for example, like in a long day of driving like a road trip, there's nobody behind you. I might actually do this for the recording, bro.
Yeah, we weren't really able. We're not gonna be able to like floor it or open it up on this trip or merge onto a highway, but it's got surprisingly good power for a small engine, like I said, especially for a big truck. I think it still tows like 9,000 pounds, which is crazy for a smaller engine. But it's really smooth, really comfortable. It's got the 8-speed transmission, which seems to be well programmed to keep the engine feeling like it needs to do what it's got to do. I like it. And if you just need a truck to do basic stuff and you want something comfortable and quiet to get around in, I don't think you can go wrong with this. And obviously there's a lot of space.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm ready what you just said. I'm ready what you just said except for the space part.
Yeah, well, hey, everyone just kind of remembers the stuff they want to hear, so that's your favorite part. I appreciate you sharing that with us. We are almost at the Tractor Supply store. Any other final thoughts you got, kid?
I'm hungry.
Okay. We'll get some food while we're out, too. Sound good?
Alright.
Alright. See you later, folks. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
It's just a little addendum part 2 to the video. I've actually been in this truck for 5 weeks now. I didn't expect to drive it this long. I'm going to be giving it back soon. I actually liked it a lot more than I expected. It's super comfortable, super smooth and easy to drive. The 2.7 is getting me like 23 miles a gallon, 23 miles a gallon. I'm probably doing like 70-80% highway, so that's definitely part of it. I'm not driving it super hard, but the fact that you can get that kind of gas mileage out of a full-size truck is pretty amazing, especially when you're not paying for premium fuel or diesel or what have you. Obviously the space is cavernous like we showed, and it's very comfortable and actually kind of fun to drive. Compared to a mid-sized truck, you got the room to spread out, but just also the wheelbase and the way the tires and suspension kind of work on this particular base model are surprisingly comfortable. And even though it's leaf springs in the back, it handles well, and it's got a very quiet and kind of relaxed feel to it that I could imagine driving and enjoying even just on a commute, not worrying about, you know, going to a job site or using the bed for much. I can't believe how much luxury car kind of got baked into a basic work truck, but kudos to Chevy because they did a really nice job with it. Anyway, this was Bill and it was Griffin too, and we appreciate you watching our video, and come back soon for more. Thanks.